What's up, everybody? So guess what I got? Package. You guys are probably wondering why the quality is so much better, and that's because I'm using my nice camera, quote unquote nice camera. Unfortunately, I'm thinking about getting a different camera instead of using my phone, because the quality on my phone is not what I'm worried about. It's the amount of time I have to export to my computer or to like import it, because I guess like there's some problems going on when I try to import my videos from my phone to my computer. It says the device is malfunctioning, and once I'm able to transfer it, like by luck, which is like a lot of videos, I would have to convert it because of like some video codec thing. I don't know. But anyways, let's open this up so you guys know what I'm talking about. If you guys do remember from last week, then yes, that's what it is. It would suck so bad if I cut my thing, but yeah, if you guys remember from last week, I said I was gonna get it, and it's here. So pretty excited to show you guys. I know it really isn't much, but your boy don't really have that much money, so your boy gotta do what your boy gotta do. And here it is, right here, Junction Produce Neck Pillows. This is initially what it comes with. Little plastic bag, little hanger up in here, and basically I know how it feels, but I'm just gonna break it down to you guys and how it looks like. So go ahead and open it up. This is an initial basically install slash review video. I know you don't really need a step-by-step on how to install this, but you know, who knows, you know? So obviously you have to take off this white thing. Leather is really nice, like don't get me wrong, I really love the stitching, like the quality is super nice. On a scale from 1 to 10, from someone who has never ever had neck pillows, it'd probably be a 10, you know? Alright, so this is how it looks like. Junction Produce. I bought this from VIP'd Out, big cartel, so check them out. The owner is James Church, who made VIP'd Out, who made those VIP'd Out trays. It's his website. He was the one that got me into like Lexuses. I don't know him personally, but I saw his car online. I was like, dude, that is a sick ass car. But this is how the back looks like. There's a zipper that shows you what's inside and what it's made out of. I think is this styrofoam? It's not styrofoam. I don't know what to call this, but it's with this material. As you can see, it really isn't soft. And then basically you have this part, which basically attaches to the. Let me lift this up really quick. This part right here, this metal part of the little headrest, that's where you're gonna put the strap onto the little thing. So it looks like this basically. At first, I know it's really stupid. I was like, dude, like that'd be so dumb if it was like that. And I was like, dude, it's a neck pad. So I was just like, oh, that makes sense. So yeah, let's go ahead and just put this on. So what you want to do first is get the headrest out, and then you want to make it so it fits, so that way you don't struggle and look really dumb trying to install it. I'm pretty sure there's other ways to do this, but I feel like this would be so much easier. Alright everyone, so it's loosened, right? You want to loosen everything, this first step. And what you want to do is on the most outer right row, this is for the left, the rear driver's side. You want to get the end and put it on the opposite end of the hole. So let me just do this. Put it in. So it goes in, right? You want to leave some extra space in the back. And then you just go towards the inside of the hole. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, it really isn't a freaking DIY. It's just very simple. yeah, initially this is how it's supposed to look like that. Obviously you gotta make it more neater, right? So just adjust accordingly. You don't want it too tight because it's gonna be upright, and you don't want to like stretch this part, because that happened to me actually. So it would look like this, right? And basically you insert it and it looks like that. Very simple, you know. That's just how it looks like. I really like VIP because it adds like a certain touch to it, you know, and it's super dope. Like, I'm not trying to be one of those people that like get all those interior mods or interior parts and then the car just looks so like weird. But you know, money's an issue in this car world, and if I was rich, the car would have been nicer and be in bags by now. But yeah, that's basically it. Let me show you guys how it looks from the side. So practicality wise, it's kind of questionable, I'm not gonna lie, because if you like look, like if you're like, let's see, if you're like this, right, it really isn't comfy. It's very firm, as you can see. There's no like support or no like plush, like as if it was like a pillow where you could just like your head rests in. It just like stays there, as you can see. Just look. It's pretty uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. So practicality wise, this is my opinion, so it's probably like a 7. You know, there are times when I'm driving and I kind of feel like car sick. It's really weird. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe it's just how my body works. But yeah, that's basically how it is. This is practically the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's gonna be pretty short, but generally this is how it looks like. You know, pretty nice leather, nice lettering. There are fake ones out there, so be careful. I only order mine from VIP'd Out, Big Cartel. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on next week's video. So peace out.